Hello guys, welcome to Chemical Hub, and today we are going to learn about dextrin. What is dextrin? Dextrin are carbohydrates that are produced by hydrolysis of starch or glycogen, or else they are also produced by applying dry heat in the presence of acidic conditions such as hydrochloric acid and by the process of pyrolysis or roasting. So now let us discuss about the production methods of dextrin. Dextrin can be produced by two methods. The first method is by batch heating in autoclave, which is an older and inefficient method. And the second method is the modern method, which is by using the fluidized hydrolysis, that is by using fluid bed depolymerization. So here we are discussing about the second process of formation of dextrin. So first of all, let us see the chemical reaction for the formation of dextrin. So here it is given that C6H10O5N in the presence of heat and HCl gives N by X C6H10O5X. Thus the starch or the glycogen get depolymerized by application of heat or HCl to form dextrin. So now let us move towards the flow sheet of this process and how dextrin is formed. Firstly, the starch particles are of 5 to 10 micron are charged in the air suspended fluidizer, or we can also say fluid bed batch depolymerizer. Then the heat is applied to the rectangular coil heat exchangers using the steam at 10 to 12 atm. Now the temperature of charged particles becomes around 65 to 170 degrees Celsius within around 30 minutes. So the HCl vapor is now sprayed in the air stream from bottom and the depolymerization process occurs over here. The dextrin is formed and it is sent to the dust collector, where unwanted particles and gases are removed and the dextrin is again settled to the bottom. The next thing is that the recycled fluidized gas is sent to the condensate bleed stream, which means that the temperature of these gases are reduced using the steam heat exchanger. And now the gases are again passed and makeup chemicals are added to the gases for the makeup of HCl, and it is again recirculated throughout the process. This process can be stopped by two ways. The first method is by the addition of ammonia, and the second method we can use is by cooling the plate coil heat exchanger. So in this way, dextrin is formed and is collected at the bottom, and we can further use it in other products such as in food products or textile industry. Dextrin is mainly used. Now let us also discuss the major engineering problems that we go throughout this process. The first problem is that of cleaning of dust collector. The second major engineering problem can be that about cooling down, or we can say about the stopping of the process or the cooling down of the heat exchanger. So this is all about dextrin process, manufacturing of dextrin process. Hope you like this video. Thank you.